Subscribe to TechMeSpot channel and press the bell icon and never miss another update. Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to change font on MIUI 10. So first of all, let me show you that I'm using MIUI 10. So let's go to the settings app, tap on this about phone, and here we have this MIUI version. As you can see that I have MIUI Global 10.2 stable version, and we will change the font on this. Okay, so first of all, let me show you that which font I have right now. So I need to go to the themes app and tap over here at the bottom right, and here we have the fonts. So let me tap on that. Currently it is Me Lanting. It is the default font we are using. Okay, so let's go back. Okay guys, so let's change the font. So you need to open the themes app. Okay, and also you open the themes app via another option. You need to tap on the settings. We have this personal. Here we have the themes. You can also come to the themes app by using this method. Okay guys, so here we have this search box on the top. Okay, so just tap over here and type free. Okay, so let's type free and do a search. Tap on this search button. Okay, so you need to scroll down until you find this fonts. Here we have this view all link. Just tap on that, and here you can scroll through various fonts. Okay, and also these are the free fonts, and you can sort it by, if I tap over here, here we have this default, new first, and popular first. You can sort it via these options. Okay, and also guys, you can come to this fonts. If I go back, here we have this T option at the bottom menu. Tap on that, and here we have this top charts and the new. If I tap on the new, you can see various fonts. Okay, let me go back, and also if I tap on the top charts, you can see various fonts. Okay, so let's select this snake font. I like this one. So suppose if I wanna install this, so just tap on that, and here we have the preview, okay, of the font. So you okay, just a second. Here we have the preview, so you can see the preview over here in these images. Okay, if you like, you can tap on this download for free. And also guys, you need Me account if you wanna download. So how you can get the Me account? So let me show you guys. So you need to tap on these settings, and you need to scroll down, and here we have the accounts, and here we have this Me account. Just tap on that. You need to sign up if you haven't. I already signed up. Okay, so after you're done doing that, you need to open the themes app. You can search free, or also you can come to this T button and tap on that. Okay, so just let me select the snake font that we were installing. So here we have, let me tap on that. Okay, so this is the preview. I like that. So let me tap on this button, download for free. As you can see guys, it's downloading. Okay, so let me tap on the apply button. As you can see guys, apply, reboot to apply this themes font. Okay, so let me tap on this reboot button. Okay guys, so it's It's rebooting. Okay guys, so the phone is rebooted and you can see the snake font is now applied. Okay, so let's go to the settings and check the font. You can see it's now changed. Okay, so suppose guys, if you wanna remove the font that you have installed, in case if you don't like, so again you need to go to the themes app, and at the bottom right here we have the option. Okay, just tap on that, and here we have these fonts. Just tap on that and just select the font that you like. So suppose if I want the default one, I just need to tap on this, and here we have this apply this button. Just tap on that, and again the phone will reboot. So let me tap on the reboot this button. It's rebooting. Okay guys, so the phone is rebooted and you can see we are back on the default the font. Okay, so we wanna delete the previous font that we installed. So let's go to the themes app, and at the bottom right just tap on your profile icon and tap on the fonts, and here we have the snake, the font we installed, and we want to remove that. So you just need to tap and hold it, and it's now selected. And here we have this delete, this link at the bottom. Just tap on the delete once selected resources. Just tap on the OK button, and it's now deleted. Okay guys, so in this way you can download and install font on MIUI 10. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks, bye bye.